Hey, what are you doing?
Well, apparently, cabbage is meant to bring you good luck, especially financial fortune.
Does that actually work? Oh, it worked! Wait, 100 pesos? Hello everyone and welcome to our December Harvest of the Month. My name is Stephanie, the CNP Culinary Coordinator.
And I'm Daniela Villarreal, the CNP Executive Chef.
Today I'm so excited for our Harvest of the Month. We've got these beautiful cabbages. So these cabbages are actually coming from our farm at Idea Elsa in Elsa, Texas. Thank you so much to Farmer Jordan and Farmer Kristen who provided these beautiful cabbages. And let's hear a little bit from them.
Today we're featuring our Harvest of the Month for December, which is cabbage. Cabbage is an awesome vegetable full of vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as fiber. It likes cooler temperatures, which we're starting to see a bit of here in the valley. And it's actually related to some other really cool vegetables. Cabbage is related to cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, and kohlrabi. They're all part of the brassica family. Excited to see how this turns out.
Oh my gosh, well, just like Farmer Jordan and the cabbages, I'm excited for the cooler weather we're getting here in Texas. So today we've got a really great recipe for you guys. This is gonna be something that you can use as a holiday side dish. We are calling this
Parmesan encrusted cabbage steaks.
Yum. Okay, so starting off this recipe, Daniela, you're gonna help me cut up this cabbage. Tell us all about it.
Oui, chef. Okay, yeah, so to make these steaks, we're gonna have to be really careful that it doesn't kind of fall apart on us. So as you guys know, there's lots of leaves, lots of layers that come in our cabbage.
Yeah.
So in order to keep these steaks together, we're going to really wanna focus on that root, okay? So I've cut a little bit of it off. You do wanna leave enough space where you know where it is and the outside leaves aren't coming apart. So we're gonna take a knife, we're gonna cut right through the middle. And I'm gonna move this part aside, all right? So here we go, we can see the inside of the cabbage. You see all of this is sticking together from this core. Yeah, so from there, we're just gonna use the core as our guide, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna cut again, right through the middle. Again, I'll move this out to the side. We lost the leaf there. And then from there we'll go. So you see the core is getting a little small, so that'll really depend on how far we're gonna go with our steaks. But just keep using that. And we'll turn into something good. How does that look? Do we wanna try one more cut or good?
No, I think these are good size.
Okay, well let's move these out of the way and then we can start putting all of the rest of the ingredients together.
Perfect. All right, so let's make our dressing. Here I've got a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna put everything together. Olive oil, lemon juice, some spices, and our garlic. And then we're just gonna whisk all of this up to make sure everything gets mixed together.
That smells good. What kind of spices did you use?
I have some paprika in here, some salt, and I know we added garlic, but I also added garlic powder.
Never can have enough.
Not enough. All right, and then now that we have this ready, we're just gonna brush this all over our steaks.
Awesome.
All right, let's try to make the least amount of mess. All right, we've got these nice and sauced, and we're gonna finish with generous amounts of Parmesan cheese over all of our steaks to make sure we get a nice crust.
I'm gonna help you out by kind of tucking that into the leaves. I bet that'll keep it better.
Thank you. That's why we keep you around.
Yeah, I can help.
Okay, so now that our steaks are ready, we're gonna put them in our oven. It's been preheating this whole time, so we're ready to go. And once they're done, we'll come back. All right, so our cabbage sticks are out. They're looking really good and they smell even better. These took about 15 minutes in the oven, and then we turned our oven over to the broiling setting. That's gonna help the Parmesan cheese get nice and crusty, right?
Encrusted.
And here we have our Parmesan encrusted cabbage steaks. We're gonna finish these off with a little lemon parsley dressing and another sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Thank you so much for joining us today. We had a lot of fun. Don't forget to visit our website, ideapublicschools.org, where you'll be able to find this recipe and many more. And until next time, happy cooking!